Okay, hello. My name is Brian Montalvo Ramos, and this is going to be my project two for COP 3330, and it's going to be on a mechanic shop. This is supposed to show inheritance and polymorphism, as well as um, the interface with the user. So, my main app or my main class here is going to be my mechanic app. Uh, right Sorry about that. Right here, right? So this is going to be my main class, and this is going to be my main argument right here. I had to add in a scanner tool in order to utilize the vehicle array that I have right here, and in order to make this program interact with the user. So my vehicle array holds all details for my vehicles. And then I have my overloaded constructors with my employees. This is utilizing uh, team lead class up here to set this employee, Ron, as the quality control. And later on, he's going to be the manager for this shop. Okay. Um, this is my program right here. This is my main menu. These are my choices. So you can service a vehicle, print out all employee details, or get your current manager. Fourth one is to exit the program. Okay, and then we scroll down a little bit more, and we're going to get what kind of service you would like to perform on said vehicle. If you want an oil change, a brake job, or calculate your bill. Right here is the actions of whatever choice you choose. And then these are going to be all your printing methods. Okay. So my parent class for most of this project is going to be employee class right here. So in my employee class, I'm going to implement the name and department. That's going to be very important to all the other classes uh, after. So I'm going to implement the name, and I'm going to get my getters and setters, and then my printing method, which is going to print out the name and the department. Here, I put in all the override methods for the most part in order to override all the other classes. So my vehicle class, um, override the jobs here in the worker class, and then bills again, worker class, and then to set my printing method for uh, um, to set my uh, structure to show in the mechanics app. So this is what this is going to be about. Then I have my vehicle class. So my vehicle class is going to have the type, make, model, the year, and the mileage as my attributes. Those are going to be protected. They can only be changed through the mechanic app. Then these are going to be your getters and setters, and then your, set the year, set the mileage to be able to make sure we have all the information for these vehicles. And then you're going to get an update mileage. So this is going to come in handy when we do the work that is stated right here in the override method. So this is where the update mileage will come in. Okay. Then I'm going to do, these are just the structure for when the mechanic app is going to override the structure above, but it's going to populate right here in the mechanic app when I do my array. Same thing with the motorcycle, and the same thing here. Okay. Then I'm going to have my team lead class, which would implement manager. Okay. So the team lead is going to inherit the employee class, so the name and the department. And then this is going to set out the public message that, this employee is the manager from which department, and etc. And then the last one is going to be just a simple structure right here. So I have three interfaces. I'm going to have my worker interface, which is going to set the kind of jobs that that I have set up here. This was implemented in employee. Okay. Then I'm going to have my manager interface, and this was implemented by my team lead class. And then last but not least is going to be my vehicle class interface, which will be implemented by vehicle. This just sets up if it's a car or motorcycle. And then this one is just to ensure I get the manage function here. Okay, so this is how it's going to run. Okay, let me extend this up. So I get to pick a choice. So let's say if I want to service a vehicle, which is number one, click on it. I get to pick a vehicle. So let's say I want vehicle one. Okay, what kind of job do I want it to make? The oil change, a brake job, a bill, or return to vehicle list. So let's go with an oil change. And this is when it's going to spit out. It's going to be employee Harry, right? According to right here. Let me show you. So right here, Harry, mechanic, right? Employee Harry is performing an oil change on the Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Next oil change is going to be at 103,000 miles. Okay. And as you can see, it was updated from the original mileage that it had. Okay. So for here, I want to return to the main menu, right? Click on that. I'm back to the main menu. So if I want my employee details this time, bam, I click choice 2, and it's going to spit out the employee details. So it's going to be the employees and then the team lead. Okay. And if I finally want to get my manage formula, I click on 3, and it's going to be Ron from quality control is the current shop manager. And that's about it. This is how you interact with the program that I wrote. And hopefully I covered everything. So click number 4 to exit the program. And as you can see, it's no longer working. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope I covered everything.